She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Lou. So finally Blackpink released their new single How You Like That after a very long time, and I am obsessed. We've all been waiting for this for a very long time, and the music video and the music was so good. All of the members looked so good with their makeup and hair, especially Rosé with her lilac hair. So I decided to recreate one of her looks in the music video, and if you're interested to see how I did this look, then just keep watching, and as usual, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, let's get started. Okay doke, so I've already got my base on. I put on foundation and concealer and even my eyebrows. So let's proceed with this look. So in the music video, Rosé had a few looks, and one of them she had quite a bold eyeliner, and she also had this pink eyeshadow over her under eyes, and she also had on these little rhinestones. I got these online, just like 2 on her under eyes. So I really love that look, so we're gonna recreate that. So let's start by priming our eyes. I'm using the Too Faced 24-Hour Shadow Insurance Eye Primer. Just a little bit here. Okay, now that we've primed our eyes, I'm going to set it with Tempera from my Modern Renaissance palette. So the music video released yesterday, and I was so excited to watch it. And the minute I got home from work, I turned on the TV, I put on YouTube, and the music video was so good. So Rosé had a very bold eyeliner, and it was a very big wing, so we're gonna try to achieve that today. Okay, what do we think about that? I think that's pretty good. So don't worry too much if you make a mistake with your eyeliner, like if you smudge it or you overdrew it. Just use a Q-tip and then put some makeup remover and just like remove any mistakes.
Everyone's lining up to see her.
So next I'm gonna tightline my eyes with my Gigi Hadid eyeliner. So when I was on the way home from work yesterday, they were already playing Blackpink's new song on the radio, and I was so excited. I just really wanted to watch the music video. And obviously now the song is stuck in my head. And honestly, they all look so good. They all had very cool makeup looks, and I really couldn't decide which look I wanted to recreate. But I really liked this look on Rosé, and her hair was so cool. I wish I could dye my hair that color, but yeah. We can't have her hair, but we can have her makeup. So coming to the under eyes, I'm going to use Love Letter from my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette.
Must be something that it features. You'll find the beauty goes much.
So I'm just gonna like place it all over my under eye and then like blend it out.
Everyone's lining up to see her.
I'm gonna use a clean brush and just smoke out the under eye.
The beauty goes much deeper once you get to.
I'm just doing the same thing on the other eye. And in the music video, Lisa had some serious Cleopatra vibes, and I thought she was really badass. You know what? I'm just in love with all the looks.
All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with it.
So I'm going in with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Love Drug. And I'm just gonna like lightly line my lower waterline, just on the outer corner. So let's move on with mascara. I think Rosé didn't have any falsies in this look, so we're just gonna curl my lashes and then put on a lot of mascara. And I'm particularly gonna concentrate a lot on the lower lashes because in this look, her lower lashes were like, you know, so we're gonna do that. I smudge mascara here. It's okay, we'll just let it dry and then we'll just pick it off.
Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah. No friends of mine around. Yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught.
Okay, I'm gonna use my eyeliner and I'm gonna draw a few false eyelashes in my under eye just to give it a more dramatic effect.
No, I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting cold.
So in the music video, Rosé had one rhinestone here and another one here closer to the outer corner. So let's do that. So I'm gonna use an eyelash glue to stick on the rhinestones. And we're just gonna put one right here.
Yeah, it's something you get used to. Yeah, go back to June blues. Yeah, it's just the June blues. Yeah, walk around like who you. Yeah, just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying.
Okay, there we go. So I think that looks pretty good, just like in the music video. So for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to use Beach Nectar from my Becca palette. I'm also gonna go in with Vermeer from the Anastasia palette.
Baby, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go? I just wanna know,
So now that the eyes are done, I'm gonna finish off my face. And I'm going to use my usual Becca palette. I'm just gonna slightly bronze my face, nothing too intense.
I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I try.
And I'm gonna contour my nose with the Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodin shader.
The sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by.
For my lips, I'm going in with my NARS lipstick in the shade Schiap. I'm totally butchering the pronunciation, but I'll leave it here for you to see. But basically, it's this really bright pink shade, similar to the shade that Rosé was using in the music video.
Just something you get used to, yeah.
Okay guys, so this is how you achieve one of Rosé's look from the music video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am obsessed with this look. Unfortunately, I don't have lilac hair like her, but I think the makeup turned out really well. I really like the rhinestones. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button down below. I post a new video every Sunday, so please don't forget to stay tuned. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
I'm just a lonely